dazzling 2025 Golden Globes. Tonight, the stars are out in full force and the red carpet is the place to be. So, let's take a look at some of the most talked about looks of the evening. First up, we've got Jeremy Strong from Succession making a statement in velvet green ensemble. Well, velvet in Beverly Hills, now that's a choice we didn't see coming, but Jeremy pulls it off with a quiet confidence that says, I own this carpet. Sharon Stone, always the epitome of grace, floats in wearing a light blue gown that shimmers as she moves. It's simple, it's elegant, and it reminds us why she's been a red carpet favorite for decades. Ariana Grande stepping straight out of Wicked brings a splash of sunshine in a vintage Givenchy yellow gown. The beaded bodice is a nod to the iconic yellow brick road, and we're here for this Oz-inspired fashion moment. Standing next to her is her co-star Cynthia Erivo, both of them exuding magic and glamour. Tilda Swinton keeps things stylish and rocking a look that only Tilda could. She's always one to watch, blending high fashion with a signature quirkiness. On the more relaxed but no less stylish side, Lisa Collins from The Bear is here, keeping it sleek and sophisticated. Maren Morris follows suit, proving that sometimes less is more with a chic, understated look that lets her confidence shine through. And then there's Daniel Craig, who describes the event as glorious mess. He's suited up and looking every bit the gentleman, even as he admits the chaos of the night is part of the charm. It's a mix of stress and excitement, and we can't get enough of this candor. Awards have already been announced, and the energy here is electric, so stick around for more updates.
I hope I never get used to it. This is like, when you were little and it was Christmas and that level of excitement. Surreal.
It's absolutely incredible. Like our movie it's a very small film made with the struggles of a lot of people putting in resources and making it. So the fact that it's here with all these amazing people, I feel really happy and really honored.